You search for how to buy shares of Bike24 Holding AG. Bike24 is an online bicycle retailer listed on Xetra under the ticker Bike.de. This video shows the practical steps and is for educational purposes, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an ID document, and then add funds to trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker Bike.de to find the listing. Select the result that shows Bike24 Holding AG on Xetra to ensure it is the correct share. On the stock page, you'll see basic company details and a price chart. Confirm the company name and Xetra listing to make sure you are on the right asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading opens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the order. Your position will appear in your portfolio after execution. Check your holdings to confirm. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.